The Fortuner has been updated. What? Yup, it's a mild update since it gets a mild hybrid. And that's about it. So let's end this video now then? Nah, let's take a deeper look into it.
The update to the Fortuner and Legender is only skin deep with the 48-volt mild hybrid assist. On the outside is the same old design you've seen on the Fortuner and Legender since 2021 when the Fortuner got a facelift. The basic design though has been here since 2016. 9 years, and Toyota thinks it can get away with giving the Fortuner a mild hybrid assist? Well, it kinda can, because in its segment, the Fortuner has been unbeatable. Like literally, no real threat because everyone wants a Fortuner.
Inside though, things are a little different. You get new features like a 360-degree camera, a wireless charger and multi-terrain system which has off-road modes like auto, dirt, sand, mud and deep snow. Oh, and the instrument cluster also shows you the battery percentage. What you also get with the mild hybrid system is idle start-stop feature which Toyota proudly claims add to the fuel efficiency. By how much? 45 odd kilometers on a fuel tank, which for a behemoth of this SUV is quite an impressive figure. Toyota though has taken something away from this update too. You no longer get ventilated seats with the Neo Drive variants of the Fortuner and the Legender. Why take things away when there was already a dearth?
What's better apart from the enhanced fuel efficiency then?
That's the better response you get when you launch the car. No more jerks, it's smoother than before and it accelerates gradually, making it comfier for everyone in the car. Apart from that, it's very Fortuner-like. It's big, it's burly and everyone, I mean everyone, will get out of your way.
The Fortuner and Legender's Neo Drive variants are powered by a 2.8-litre diesel engine with 201 bhp and 500 Newton meters and come with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The addition of the mild hybrid system hasn't changed the power output at all.
It's still a torque monster, but it's much more refined than before. It's like that naughty kid in school finally straightened up his tie to look less shabby. The torque is so much fun in traffic, easily helping you overtake. Region braking exists with this mild hybrid system.
So let's give you a little background on the Fortuner Neo Drive. It's a 48-volt mild hybrid system that gets a belt integrated starter generator, a DC-DC converter and a secondary lithium-ion battery. The DC-DC converter is under the front passenger seat and the battery is under the second row. The 48-volt starter generator also helps control the vibrations on startup, which were quite prominent in the Fortuner earlier. For your knowledge, the DC-DC converter helps change the 48-volt current to 12 volts to supply electricity to the auxiliary battery. Despite the new mild hybrid system, the water weighting capacity of the Fortuner remains unchanged at 700 millimeters.
So what does the Fortuner Neo Drive cost? 44,72,000 rupees, and for this Legender, 50,09,000 rupees. So is it worth it? Of course, it's a Fortuner. Deep down, everyone wanted one at some point in time. But just giving it a mild hybrid update shouldn't fly. Toyota needs to properly update the Fortuner and bring it up to the times.